Welcome to HomePan TruPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen tool that promises to simplify your cooking while elevating your meals. We're talking about the Zakarian X-Nonstick Cast Iron Braiser, a 4.5-quart oven-safe pan that comes with a cast iron lid and boasts a titanium ceramic coating. Now, when you hear cast iron, you might think of heavy, seasoning-obsessed cookware that demands a lot of attention. But this Braiser aims to change that perception. It's marketed as a versatile family Braiser, a heavy-duty cooking pot ideal for everyday one-pan meals. It features a dual-handle design and that essential cast iron lid. The core of its appeal, according to the brand, is its non-stick capability. It utilizes what they call TruPro Titanium Ceramic Nonstick coating. This is a big selling point because it's made without a host of concerning chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. For anyone looking to reduce their exposure to these substances in their cookware, this is definitely a feature to pay attention to. One of the most exciting aspects of this Braiser is its stovetop-to-oven versatility. It's oven-safe, which we'll get to in a moment, and it's compatible with all stovetops. This means you can sear your ingredients on the stove, then transfer the entire pan to the oven to finish cooking, braise, or bake. The description highlights that it's rust-resistant. Maintenance-free coating also means it never needs seasoning. This is a significant departure from traditional cast iron and a major convenience factor for home cooks. Beyond its functionality, the Zakarian X-Braiser is also designed with aesthetics in mind. It's described as a serve-in-style design, meaning it doubles as stylish cookware for table serving. It even includes a braising rack and easy grip handles for effortless transport from stove to table. This aspect appeals to those who want their cookware to look good not just during the cooking process but also when presented to guests. The "Happiness is Homemade" tagline from Dash suggests a philosophy of bringing families together through cooking. This Braiser is positioned as a tool to facilitate those moments, encouraging the joy of cooking and eating at home. Let's delve into the details. The description calls it a multitasking pan that goes from stovetop sizzle to oven-finished perfection without breaking a sweat. It's designed for both weeknight dinners and weekend feasts, offering a roomy capacity for searing, simmering, shallow frying, and baking. The dual-handle design is indeed practical for moving this substantial pan. The elegant profile is also a nice touch for presentation. The TruPro Titanium Ceramic Nonstick coating is the star here. It promises an ultra-smooth, easy-release surface where food lifts away easily. The fact that it's maintenance-free, rust-resistant, and never needs seasoning is a huge advantage. No more oil rubdowns and complicated care routines. You can just cook. Engineered for serious heat, this Braiser is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat tolerance makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking techniques, from searing meats on your gas range, induction cooktop, or even under the broiler. The sturdy cast iron lid is crucial for locking in moisture, ensuring tender roasts and flavorful stews. The Braiser design itself is engineered for even heat distribution, from the edges to the center, which is vital for consistent cooking. The inclusion of a braising rack is a thoughtful addition, further enhancing its versatility for recipes where you want to keep food elevated. From crispy skinned chicken to slow-braised short ribs, this cookware is built to handle multi-step recipes with ease. The brand's philosophy about taking small steps towards a healthier life through whole, natural foods is woven into the product's narrative, positioning Dash products as aids to preparing and eating real food at home. Now, for the pros and cons. The pros are quite compelling. First, the non-stick coating that doesn't require seasoning is a major win. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry for people who might be intimidated by traditional cast iron. The versatility is another huge plus. Being able to go from stovetop to oven and use it on any heat source is incredibly convenient. The 500 degree Fahrenheit oven-safe rating means it can handle high heat searing and braising effectively. The inclusion of the lid and the braising rack adds value to the package. The design is also attractive, making it suitable for serving directly at the table. Finally, the absence of PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium in the coating is a significant health-conscious benefit. However, there are potential cons to consider. While it's described as non-stick, the performance of any non-stick coating can degrade over time, especially with heavy use. It's a cast iron braiser, so it will still be heavy, even with the dual handles. This might be an issue for some users. The 4.5 quart capacity is a good size for many families, but for very large gatherings or specific recipes, it might feel a bit limiting. While it's maintenance-free in terms of seasoning, cleaning any cookware, especially one that's been used for searing, can still require some effort. We'd also need to see how durable that ceramic coating is over extended periods and with different types of utensils. In conclusion, the Zakarian X- non-stick cast iron braiser appears to be a well-designed piece of cookware that bridges the gap between traditional cast iron's durability and modern non-stick convenience. Its versatility, ease of use, and health-conscious coating make it a strong contender for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process and improve their home-cooked meals. It's a great option for those who want the benefits of cast iron without the intensive maintenance. Link in the description.